Okay, guys, LUNR is back running. It's up 57% based on this news right here. It stores on the new NASA contract. This is big, as they say. So, we're gonna go over everything. This is why it's running up here. So it's sort of late on Tuesday after the company announced another contract with NASA. So, that's why they're up pretty big, and it is big. So, and that's why the share price is showing this. So let's look at the chart, show you guys what we're looking at. Should you be bearish or should you be bullish? Obviously, if you were in this before, I mean, you made massive money on this. I mean, look at this low, $3 and all the way up to, $8 pre-market. This is really good, over 100% run in, just a couple weeks here. So, here's the trend channel here. We're getting close to this bottom trend channel. And as you can see, we just jumped up right up out of there. So this is the channel we respected. We're at $8 pre-market. So guess where we're at, guys? We are up in this area as we speak, right up in here. If you look at the 1 minute chart, we're at 855. So we're going to open above. If it stays this price, we're going to open in this area. The band will probably fluctuate a little. So we're going to touch this ATR4 band. What does that mean for the bears? They're going to get really excited. The algo is going to kick in. As you can see, the last time we did that, we went tumbling down, right? This right here is a big sell zone. So I just want everyone to be, just careful. I know it's exciting, and all that, but I traded LUNR the last time when we had this massive time distance of the EMA 20, and we were touching this lower band. And remember, the opposite happens here. You can get in at the opposite right here, just like when you buy puts and you short here at the upper band, you buy at the bottom band. And as you can see, with patience and on a good company, we went from a low of from this low all the way up here, 93%, and obviously we're at $8. So you're looking at 100, 855. You're at right here, 160% move from the lows. Obviously, you're never going to get that whole move because, as you can see, it went down, and if you didn't take your gain right here, it would have went here, it went a little negative, and right here was kind of a double bottom. It kind of broke through a little bit, so as you can see here. So there's support, broke through a little, and then it came back up here, and then it started rallying. So this is LUNR. It has some big runs way back in here, as you can see. But as you can see, though, when we get to the upper band, it doesn't matter. And this was the landing on the moon, right? Way more hype in this area, way more volume, big more stuff going on. And as you can see, we hit the upper band. Where do we go back to? This is where you need to look at. We were going to hit the EMA 5. That is a must. Right here, this purple band is your short-term EMA. It's going to hit it. It has to, and it will. The next one is your EMA 10, the yellow. That's your next reversion mean, and then the 20. But it's hard to base that on. You got to have more time distance. Anything that don't touch in about 5 to 7 daily candles is long for an EMA 5. So when you see these entries here, a lot of the times this looks like a short, and then you can even go on the weekly candle, and this is where I made a lot of money because a lot of the times people don't see this, but when you see a weekly candle coincide and touch it, as you see up in here, this is very bearish. It's just like, how much can you milk from the cow? It's like this thing went from a low of $2 all the way to 13. And now we're at $3 and we're up at 855. Not saying it can't keep running, but you got to be very careful on these kind of areas, especially if you ever see a weekly doing that. So the daily is going to open right up in here if it maintains this bullish price action. I'm very curious what pre-market's going to do. Can we get a big move up pre-market? I don't know. So we'll see. Can this be sustained? And look at this. We're going up at 890. We are hitting a 5 minute upper band here. This is a really good thing if you are into day trading. You can get a nice corrections up in these areas. As long as you have the time distance. This is the EMA 20 not getting a hit for some time. So this EMA 5 can easily go back. This ATR 4 could go back to here, the EMA 20. And that's what I do in my day trading community. I look for stocks, especially indexes like this, and we day trade these kind of stocks. So this is LUNR. This is my analysis. As you can see, we should get a little correction here, but the daily is going to go up here. Would I buy this? No, I would not, because it's going to be way overextended on the daily on the upper band here. If I was going to, this would be a day trade only. I would look for the EMA 20 on the 1 minute, look for a bounce here, have it touch, and then maintain that bullish action. If it don't, your stop loss is just slightly below the EMA 20. So as you can see, price is just just going up because of that news. So we'll see what happens here. Do we get a rejection here and all that? But congrats to all the bulls on LUNR. I'll be watching this one in the channel, see what the daily opens up at. If you guys want to join the Discord and see where it is, see where we get first time alerts, entries and exits and all that, and understand the system, and also how to get your chart set up like this, and also how to do day trades. We do this all. We teach it all. Swing trades, day trades. Hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to the free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe if you have an Android. You'll have to do it on your desktop or computer. Avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. Just hit server shop in the top left, and you'll see the two options I have. They're very affordable. $12 a month accesses all my subscriptions tab on the left. You'll get, like I said, entries and exits to your phone. You're going to get live streams. And if you're skeptical, you can join my live streams for free. The link's down below in the YouTube description. I go live pretty much every day, right at when the market opens. I go live on Twitch, so you can see me there, and I go over exactly setups that I see, and we just, we're just a community that have fun, chill out, make lots of money, and today alone, we made well over 30%, 40% gains doing some day trades, and I'm going to show you guys exactly all that good stuff, because day trading is my favorite, it's my bread and butter, so that's why I recommend try the day trading. Swing trading is more passive income, it's more slower, you can hold a stock for days, weeks, months. It just depends on what I look for. So day trading education, I have lots of videos. The main thing about this is you're gonna get taught how to fish, right? You're gonna get taught how to fish, and you're not just gonna go into my entries and exits. You're gonna understand why I like trades. When we're not at the lower band, then yes, you can look at trend channels. This is what I drew. Why did we resist up in here? Is because that's at the trend channel. Why did this resist? Trend channel. Why would this be good support? Because of the trend channel, and you'll learn all this stuff. So congratulations for LUNR. If you wanna join the Discord, click the link below. It'll take you to this page. Just hit server shop. $12 a month. I promise you guys are going to make money if you do this thing. I've been doing this for over 6 years. It has an over 90% win ratio on both services. I think you guys are going to really like it. And if you go to my RTK journal, you can see the high success of the day trades. I still have 2 to record today, but we are on a 23 win streak, making 10 to 20% gains back to back to back to back, doing this simple A+ strategy. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and let's make some money together. Alright, peace out.